Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Johnny, yesterday I said tomorrow.
And today is tomorrow.
Today is tomorrow. Sit down. Eat. Say it.
I eat.
You eat.
You eat.
We eat. They eat.
We eat. They eat.
Now, he
He
eats, with an S at the end.
He eats.
He eats. She eats. It eats.
Why?
Johnny, this is the most difficult letter in English.
One letter?
One letter. It makes everybody wrong for years.
For years?
People speak English well and they still forget it.
Then why does it exist?
Nobody knows.
It is very old.
It is very old. Look at me. I sleep.
You sleep.
Now look at Milo.
He sleeps.
Again. Milo eats.
Milo eats.
Milo watches.
Milo watches.
Chloe reads.
Chloe reads.
Rosie asks.
Rosie asks.
Perfect. 4 in a row. Now the trap. Eat. He eats. Say both.
I eat. He eats.
I run.
He runs.
I play.
He plays.
I lose my ball.
He loses my ball.
His ball, Johnny.
Nobody loses my ball. That is my job.
The grammar was correct anyway.
He is wrong.
Milo. I am not wrong. Robert said correct.
You said he loses my ball. I said he is wrong. I used the S. You did not hear it.
He is wrong. He is wrong. There is no S in is.
There is an S in is.
Milo, that is not the same S.
I know. I wanted to see his face.
Johnny, say it all. Fast.
I eat, you eat, he eats, she eats, it eats, we eat, they eat.
Again.
I eat, you eat, he eats, she eats, it eats, we eat, they eat.
He has it.
He has it.
Milo. You used the S.
I always use the S.
I know. Now I hear it.